Hello. So we've been thinking hard about how to tell the time, haven't we? Let's remind ourselves. We've got this hand, which is our minute hand, and this hand, which is our hour hand. Okay. What time is on my clock at the moment? That's right. We know it's o'clock because it's pointing upwards. And it's pointing to the 9, so it's 9 o'clock. Well done. So we know our o'clock times. Okay, so if my clock goes round like this, how far around my clock has the minute hand travelled? That's right, it has gone halfway round the clock. Remember our clock cake? We've cut it in half. It has gone halfway around. So it is now 9:30. 9 o'clock, but we don't say the o'clock when we say 1/2 past. So it's 9:30 o'clock. Well done. I'm going to do a bit more moving of my hands. Ready? So it keeps going. Oh, now this is the kind of time that we did yesterday. Oh, can you remember what kind of times we were doing yesterday? Let's think. My minute hand is on its way to the next o'clock, isn't it? How much of a turn will it need to do to get to the next o'clock? Can you remember? Can you remember this one? That's right, it's cut into quarters, isn't it? So to get to the next o'clock, it needs to do a quarter turn. Let me find it. There you go, there's my quarter, my cake. So it's got to do a quarter turn. So it is a quarter to, nearly there, a quarter to 10. Let's turn that round. Look, it's 10 o'clock. Excellent. So we're going to do a new time today. Okay, we're going to think, right, we're at the o'clock and we are going to go round to here to point at the 3. Have a look, see if you can work out how much of a turn my clock does. How much of a turn was that? We can think about this one again. How much of a turn is that? Can you see it's a quarter? Just like on that side, isn't it? It's symmetrical. So that's a quarter turn as well. Here's my bit of my clock cake. My quarter of my cake that belongs there. It has done a quarter turn. Now, it was at o'clock, wasn't it? And now it's gone past the o'clock. See, it's gone past. It's gone past the o'clock time. So now it is 10:15. Because it's done a quarter turn past 10 o'clock. 10:15. Okay, let me give you another one. Let's go again. Okay, what have we got now? It was at the o'clock. It's done this much of a turn. How much of a turn was that? That's right, it was a quarter. It's done a quarter of a turn past the o'clock. So it's 1:15. It's just gone past the 1, 1:15. So on this side, it's past. And on this side, it's 2. It's on the way to the o'clock. Yeah, so it's gone past the o'clock, on the way to the o'clock. Let me give you another one. What time's that? That's right, it is 2:30. 2:30 o'clock. 2:30. Thought I was going to catch you out. Okay. What have we got this time? Think about how much of a turn it's done. Started at the 12. It's done a quarter turn. 4:15. 4 o'clock. Well done. What about this one? Oh, have you spotted? This side is going past the o'clock, but this side is going on the way to the o'clock. How much of a turn is it? That's right, it's a quarter. So it's a quarter to, what's it quarter to? 7. A quarter to 7. Let's do that quarter turn to 7. 7 o'clock. Let's do another one. Quarter past 7. Half past 7. Quarter to 8. 8 o'clock. Excellent, well done. Now, if you go to our document for today, there's some times for you to make on your clock, and then a sheet for you to have a go at. If you let us know how you get on, we'll know where to go next. So we'll do a bit more practicing of our quarter to and quarter past next week, and then we'll start telling the time to the 5 minutes. But let us know how you get on today. Bye bye.